In this video, I will show you exactly how to extend the duration of a video clip using Google Flow so you can get your timing just right. Whether you are working on a professional presentation or a creative social media post, adjusting the length of your media is a fundamental step in the editing process. To begin, go ahead and open your project workspace in Google Flow. Once your project is loaded, take a look at the bottom of the screen where your video timeline is located. This area shows every element of your project in chronological order. Next, navigate to the specific video clip you want to lengthen. Simply hover your cursor over that individual video tile and you will see several options appear. Look closely for a button that says Extend, which is typically represented by a plus icon within a scene builder or a small arrow. Click this button to add more time to that specific segment. The interface makes it incredibly intuitive to stretch your footage until it matches the flow of your audio or secondary visuals. You can repeat this process for any other clips that feel a bit too short for your narrative. Google Flow handles the transitions automatically so you do not have to worry about creating gaps in your sequence. By mastering this quick technique, you can ensure that your audience has enough time to absorb every detail of your content. That is all it takes to make your clips last longer in your project. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you create amazing